Learn 10 Igbo words and their opposites. Number 1. Ọkụ, hot in English. Opposite of it, oyi, cold. Number 2. Mbụ, first. Opposite, ikpeazụ, last. Ọhụrụ, new. Opposite, ochie, old. Ọkpụkpụ, hard. Opposite, mfe, soft. Elu, up. Opposite, ala, down. Ọma, good. Opposite, ọjọọ, bad. Eziokwu, truth. Opposite, okwu asị, lie. Nwata, young. Opposite, okenye, old. Ọsọ ọsọ, fast. Opposite of it, nwayọ, slow. The last but not the least, ọcha, white. Opposite, oji, black. You have seen that here is the word and here is the opposite of this word, both in English and in Igbo. So like and share our videos. Always follow for more. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.